Alright, so we are cooking tonight, and my dad came up with a great idea. Tell him what you're doing.
We have the burro bananas, the orinocos. We let them get ripe. They're nice, big, clunky bananas.
Don't you have those ones on video?
Yeah. Yeah, we just did a video with these the other day, harvesting them on the growing of bananas. But now, here's another thing we do with them. They're like dessert. Jax was nice enough to make us a pizza, which he is thinking he's going to do a video with too. How to make a pizza from scratch with the bear. So I'm just getting the cast iron nice and warmed up. And I have these orinoco bananas. They're pretty ripe. One of them is pretty soft. So it's like a plantain. Just slice them.
Get that close up on the slice.
Yeah. Whoosh.
Satisfying.
It is. Well, it's more satisfying when you get to eat these little morsels. They're so good. Cameraman of the year right there. Alright, so then we just drop them in.
That is going to turn out really good. I've never cooked bananas before, so
Oh, you haven't had these?
we'll see
I've made a bunch of these.
how this turns out.
I think they're absolutely amazing. It's a great little dessert. It's delicious and good for you all at the same time.
Would you say they're worthy?
Yeah, I would give them one of those. So that's 3 bananas, more than enough for both of us.
And Pa.
And pot. So I'll just kind of move them around so they don't stick.
That side view.
I love my cast iron. And I'm going to cook them until they're brown.
How's that side view?
Just crisp
Pretty
up. I'm going to almost char them. Can you see it good? Is it good? Is it
Yeah.
got him?
Yeah.
Is it a good angle?
Yeah.
So, take your time, no rush. They like to, if you can caramelize them on the sides of them and then just get just the right. No, not quite yet.
Is that caramelized?
No,
Ow.
no, not quite.
That hurt.
We're going to give them a minute. Here, this one's looking nice. There you go. Right there.
Oh,
You
that's
get them to do
caramelized?
that. Yeah. There we go. So I'll just toss them around in the pan. If the oil starts to get absorbed, I'll add some oil. You know, we can talk about all these plants that we grow, and now what do you do with them? You bring in, 40 pounds of bananas.
Here's what we do.
What are you going to do with them? So here's one of the things that I like to do with them. Completely substitutes for a plantain. This is such a versatile banana. I love these things. Orinoco, baby. One of the coldest, hardiest. One of the cold hardiest. Happen to be delicious. Very nice cooked. Cooked when they're green, cooked when they're ripe. It does not matter when you cook them. You just get a totally different product each time. Right, Bear?
Just like pizza.
Wait till you see this pizza video. You guys are gonna freak. This kid can cook a pizza. Where's my olive oil? I got my olive oil. I need my olive oil back. Give us a little spooshy. There we go.
Still some. But cooking is messy. Pizza cooking is messy.
Pizza cooking is definitely
Very messy.
very messy. But totally worth it. Tyler was over here and he was chowing. He looked at that pizza, took a couple bites. He said, "I would pay for this. I would
$20
definitely
for this piece.
Yeah,
For this much of pizza.
for a little 12-inch pizza." I think maybe we're gonna do a pizza stand here at the Reid Farm.
Yeah.
Here, buddy, you hold that.
Disclaimer: you may see a few store-bought items in the pizza video. That's completely fine. They're all organic.
That's right. It's fun to get them to the point where they have like good caramelized on either side, and then smush them when they break down a little bit.
Smoosh.
I smoosh them down because I want them soft. Once I know that they're smushable.
Wait, hear that noise. That sizzle. Yeah.
There we go. Now we're getting the smushies. You can get them to smushy down when they're ready to eat. Yeah, like that guy right there. That is a ready to eat little dude. Tender, just hit tender. We're almost there. Let's grab a plate. Little bear. There's the first one. Nice and tender. Out it comes.
Look at that. Close-up of that crispiness. There. It's like crispiness to the shiny level.
Oh, these things are perfect.
Come look at the shot.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Beautiful. And now the true test. What do they look like on the inside? It's not cutting.
Pick it up and eat it. Probably pretty hot.
Yeah, look at that gooiness. The texture is probably going to be like marshmallows.
You know, I bet you if we put a little bit of yogurt, we could make a nice little yogurt dessert with some of these pieces chopped up in there. That'd be awesome.
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Maybe we should do that.
Oh.
I bet that would be
Have some coconut yogurt now.
coconut yogurt. Nice.
The best brand of yogurt is Too Good.
The one he likes. I haven't eaten any of those. You like those?
Yes.
I have not had those yet.
Have you not had those? They're delicious. I've never liked coconut until maybe like a year ago. Split open a coconut, loved it. I wish we had another coconut.
We're gonna plant a tree at Mima's place.
Yeah. That's where they grow.
Yeah, I've already got that plant. Bamboo Bill donated that plant to Mima's new property.
Cool.
We'll have to grow a coconut and share it with Bill.
Yep.
Look at these beautiful morsels.
Look at that beautiful yogurt. Most of it is whey, but we can mix that in. Woo! Nice. That one kind of looks like a donut right there. This one.
And it's gonna taste like a donut.
Yeah. Ooh.
It really.
I wish you guys were here to smell this yogurt.
How about these?
Smells so sweet.
How about these bananas?
Yeah.
There we go.
What we're probably gonna do is probably just like transition in between this video and the pizza video.
I am
Probably
going
the smartest
to,
option.
I'm going to eat this right now. That caramelization is so good.
So this caramelized banana.
Yep. And we got like coconut yogurt.
Fat dog.
Oh my god, that is so good.
Yogurt, put the sweet in it.
Yeah.
And the banana's like, the crispy part is like tart.
That is a beautiful way to use this. Put a little dabber on topper. Oh, what a nice way to have dessert.
Yeah. Healthy dessert.
All right, so there you go, pan-fried Orinocos. A little bit
Next video, pizza.
of...
Gonna do it right now.
Later, buddy.